How to set up an emergency fund with a US saving account. Firstly, you need to decide the size of your emergency fund. A proper emergency fund covers 3 to 6 months of essential expenses. Students or part-timers can start with $500 to $1,500 and slowly build up. Business owners usually target 6 to 12 months of expenses. It's also very important to choose the right saving account. When you're looking for a saving account, look for these features: high APY 4 to 5%, no monthly fees, FDIC insurance up to $250,000, easy transfer to your checking account. If you are an international student or using an ITIN, LI Capital One are usually easier. Once you have found the saving account, open the account. Opening an account generally requires full name, address, SSN or ITIN, phone, email, and so on. And now you will need to decide on your funding strategy. Some funding strategies could be automatic transfers, percentage saving, or roundup apps. Lastly, make sure that you keep the money only for emergencies. That's all for today. Thank you.